Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're an aspiring astronomer or a seasoned stargazer, having the right telescope can make all the difference. Saboni has emerged as a reputable brand, offering a range of telescopes that cater to various needs, from visual observation to astrophotography. In today's video, we're exploring the 5 best Saboni telescopes available right now. We've selected models that offer exceptional performance, build quality, and value, ensuring there's something for everyone. Check the description for updated links, prices, and more details. Let's get started, beginning with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Saboni 127 Malawian Quatches Telescope. The Saboni 127 Malawian Quatches Maxitov Cassegrain telescope is a premium optical tube assembly built for serious stargazers. With a 127mm aperture and an f/11.8 focal ratio, it excels at capturing deep sky objects and planetary details with minimal aberration. Its high reflectivity dielectric coatings ensure bright, sharp images even of faint celestial targets. The dual-speed focuser allows for precise focusing, perfect for both beginners and advanced users. It supports both 1.25-inch and 2 eyepieces for flexibility and includes a flat field reducer for edge-to-edge clarity. With its compact OTA and dovetail slot, it's compatible with various mounts, making your astronomy experience seamless and rewarding. Number 4. Saboni SV41 Pro Telescope. The Saboni SV41 Pro spotting scope offers an ideal blend of portability, power, and versatility for both celestial and terrestrial observation. Featuring an 80mm objective lens and 28-84x zoom magnification, it delivers bright, sharp views for birdwatching, wildlife observation, and lunar or planetary astronomy. Its compact Maxitov Cassegrain design keeps the 800mm focal length in a lightweight, travel-friendly form. Dual-speed focusing ensures smooth and precise adjustments, while the detachable 1.25-inch eyepiece supports digiscoping with compatible Wi-Fi cameras, sold separately. With FMC coatings and a dovetail mount option for a finder scope, the SV41 Pro is an excellent grab-and-go scope for explorers of all kinds. Number 3. Saboni SV550 APO Telescope. The Saboni SV550 is a premium apochromatic refractor telescope designed for deep sky and planetary observation with exceptional image clarity. Featuring an 80mm triplet objective that includes SFPL51 ED glass, it effectively reduces chromatic aberration for high-contrast, true-color views. The air-spaced triplet design enhances visual performance on popular Messier objects like M42 and M45. A 2.5-inch dual-speed magnesium alloy focuser ensures precise adjustments and supports full-frame imaging with minimal vignetting. Built with advanced internal extinction features and reflex finder scope support, the SV550 is an ideal OTA for serious amateur astronomers seeking portability and professional quality optics. Number 2. Saboni SV503 Telescope. Discover breathtaking celestial views with the Saboni SV503 Telescope. Engineered with extra-low dispersion ED glass and fully multi-coated optics, it delivers high-contrast, true-color images, perfect for astrophotography and deep sky exploration. Its dual-speed 2-inch rack and pinion focuser ensures precise focusing, while the durable CNC machine tube, coated in fine-grained paint, offers both elegance and stability. With an 80mm aperture and f/7 focal ratio, this telescope is ideal for both beginners and advanced enthusiasts. Compatible with a wide range of accessories, the SV503 adapts to your observing style, whether capturing stunning photos or enjoying vivid visual astronomy. Number 1. Saboni SV48P Telescope. The Saboni SV48P is a powerful 102mm achromatic refractor designed for stunning wide-field astrophotography and clear celestial observations. Featuring a fast f/6.5 focal ratio and fully multi-coated optics, It delivers bright, high-contrast images with realistic colors. The 2.5-inch dual-speed focuser enables quick and precise focusing, while the lightweight 7-pound design and rotatable tube offer easy handling and versatility. With anti-reflective coatings to boost light transmission and reduce glare, plus stable integral tube rings, the SV48P ensures sharp, stable views ideal for both amateur astronomers and astrophotographers aiming for wide-angle shots. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.